Groups organize your lists in Apple Reminders. I have some lists that are inside groups, and others that are not. Our list is currently not inside any group, so let's create one for it. We'll then include our list and create the new group. Here is our group. We can toggle to hide and show lists in the group and any other group. Another quick way to add lists to a group is to drag and drop them. When you long press your list, you can add more lists to it and rename it. Deleting a list gives you two options to either delete the group or the lists in it as well. I don't want to delete the group, so I'm just going to cancel that. In Apple Reminders, your groups don't have subgroups. The app only supports one level for your groups, which are effectively the folders for your lists.